Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selling. Today I'm coming up to you with the makeup tutorial. Excuse I didn't post last week. There was a reason, but don't worry. I got your back, okay? So guys, today I'm going to be coming up to you with a makeup tutorial. Super beautiful halo eye look. And the majority of the product I use are from Catrice. Basically, this makeup is drugstore product. So yeah, if you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. Okay, so guys, the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be priming my face. I'm going to be using the catrice, the blurrer smoothing face primer. I'm just going to apply that on my T-zone, my nose, and then use my kabuki brush just to blend it all over my face.
It's time for us to escape to a world we don't know, escape into the great unknown, escape.
But you know the struggle when you have oily skin. I'm going to be using this catrice nude lotion loose powder transparent.
Let's escape.
Yeah, and moving forward to foundation, guys, this foundation I'm going to be using today, guys, you guys know I love to mix my foundation. It's just something that I'm passionate about, that I love doing, and it works for me perfectly. So I'm taking this catrice HD liquid coverage foundation, last 24 hours, and the shade caramel beige, which is 080, and I'm going to be mixing it with the L.a.girl double wear medium coverage foundation in the shade is CSV1 solid wood. So yeah, and this foundation, guys, this catrice foundation is a very full coverage foundation, okay, don't get me wrong, but it was just too light, and I believe it's a bit too lighter for my skin complexion. So I just I decided just to just create my own DIY by mixing it with the L.a.girl double wear. As you can see my face, what the hell was I even thinking, girl? I think I apply way too much, guys, way too much, but don't worry, you know the struggle, we can always make our way out. So right here I'm just going to use a beauty blender just to dab it a little bit and for extra smoothness. So guys, you know I love L.a.girl concealer. I didn't find any concealer that matches my skin complexion when it comes to catrice. Okay, so I decided just to use this L.a.girl concealer. This is my first time using this shade. This one is what's the shade? This one is a warm honey. Normally I use nude or fawn, but I didn't lay my hands on that one, so I decided to try this out. I'm just going to highlight my face, okay? For contour, guys, Makeup Revolution got me big time. I'm going to be using this stick foundation in the shade F16. I'm just going to contour my face out, my forehead, my cheekbone, the bridge of my nose, all those places that need to be shadowed. That's the right word. And use the perfect Makeup Factory contour brush, which is a synthetic brush. I'm just going to use that to buff that to the area which is a darker shade being applied. And so I'm going to be taking a Real Technique sponge just to blend in the highlighter, the lighter shade, forehead, the bridge of my nose. And yeah, guys, I was just so tired. I must say I was really tired doing this makeup because something just occurred in my mind, but anyways, so I'm just going to blend my nose contour with the same brush, and then still use my beauty blender just to smooth the bridge of my nose so that everything will look super duper snatched. All right, and still go once again with the beauty blender, of course, and go straight ahead and set my face, set under my eye with the catrice nude emulsion loose transparent matte powder. Guys, I love this palette a lot. I'm going to be taking this shade. Look at how it looks like. It kind of reminds me of Rihanna bronzer Mocha Miami. It's so beautiful. It's a bronzer, but I also use it later on as a blush, because I think there is no big difference when you have a darker bronzer and it has a bit of warmness to it, so you can also use it as a blush. So with that being said, I'm just going to go straight ahead and also use a smaller brush to, not a smaller brush, this one is more perfect to contour my nose, the other one was just a bit too fluffy. So moving forward, maybe you guys have know that I use this eyebrow set by Catrice. I used it for a long time ago, so I run out, I didn't even bother. But since I received the palette, I say why not just get another one. And I'm going to be taking the darker shade and just apply that on my brow. I have a brow details link down below always, so go and check it out, the full details how to do your brows. I'm just going to skip it a little bit because we are going to be focusing on my face and my eye. So yeah, I'm going to be using the nude concealer by L.a.girl just to clean the under of my brow. I don't want to use the warm honey because it's a bit too not red, too yellow, so I decided just to use the nude one. It's going to highlight my brow bone better, if it makes sense. I'm using my all-time favorite brush, and I'm just going to use the rest concealer. I'm blending it to my eye area, my lid. That is going to serve as my eyeshadow base. Of course, I do have a catrice eyeshadow base, but I didn't see any reason because I already have excess concealer. I didn't want to waste it, so I'm still going to set my face a little bit with the powder so that my eye will not be creasing when I apply eyeshadow. I have two palettes that I got from Catrice, but I decided just to use this Addicted to Spicy eyeshadow palette. Is a very beautiful palette. All the names, the shade, I'm going to leave everything down below because I don't have anything beside me. Now I'm doing this voiceover from work because I really want this video to be out today. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to be taking that kind of orange shade and blend it to my crease and to my inner corner because we are doing a hello look. And the next shade, I'm taking this kind of a dull brown. It's not that sharp, it's a very dull brown color, and I'm going to be applying that as well on my inner corner and my outer corner and kind of bring it towards my crease area, if that makes sense. And I noticed that this palette has a lot of fallout, okay, but the color of the shade is very pigment, but the fallout is not it's okay. We can always make our way out. I just want to put that out there in case if you want to purchase this palette. All right, so yeah, I'm going to use the remaining concealer, the one I used to clean my brow bone. I'm going to use that to cut my middle crease, my middle lid. We are doing a hello look, so I'm taking this kind of champagne or rose gold, let me say it's a champagne color. I'm just going to apply that in the middle of my lid where I apply the concealer. I'm just going to do 5 layers before I get my desire. Okay, and I'm going to take that dull brown color just to blend the edges out for any harsh line, so you don't have to tell the definition of the color that I apply on my lid. And then yeah, today I'm going to be using another liner, a gel liner. You know I love to use Maybelline, so yeah, and I applied that on my lower lash line. So what I did off camera, I went to use that two shade when I apply on my crease, which is the orange and the dull brown. I just buff it on my bottom lashes. So yeah, and what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Deep. I'm just going to set my face, remove the excess powder because I don't need it anymore. So yeah, I'm going to be lining my eye. I always like to line my eye after I remove the excess setting powder, so with that it's not going to get stained. So I'm going to be taking the mascara. This one is by Catrice as well. This one is Lashes to Kill Wonder Lash Mascara. My Rada Dye, one of my favorites as well. and pop on my lashes. And yeah, I love these lashes. You guys know, Amazon lashes or whatever you call it. Okay. I'm really feeling this look. I was really, so I'm going to highlight my face, use one of the highlights in the palette, and yeah, just highlight my brow bone, my cheekbone. I did that off camera, and I'm loving the highlight as well. They're very pigmy, there's no fallout, super bomb. And I'm taking this Velvet matte lip liner by Catrice as well. I'm just going to line my lips. It's a bit too strong, it was too strong, so I just had to put a little bit more pressure so that I can really fill my lips. I'm still going to use a lip liner to fill my lips before I go in with this Catrice what is it called, liquid lipstick. I'm just going to apply that all over my lips, and then later I take my Catrice lip glance and then apply it on my lips as well, just for extra shine. You know your girl is extra all the time. So guys, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to be applying mascara on my bottom lashes. I do love to do this after I spray my face with a makeup setting spray, but today I didn't do that because I see there was no need. I didn't feel like doing that. Is why there was no really big deal why I didn't do it. So I'm just trying to be extra, doing some freckles right here. I'm doing the black freckles, and yeah, with the Catrice liquid liner. I decided to use a liquid liner to do that. Normally I wanted to use it as a liner, but I just decided to use another gel liner. So I set my brow. As always, I do love to set my brow after I finish my makeup. So that's pretty much it for this look. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, leave a comment, tell me what you feel, if it was helpful, and yeah, I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video, it means a lot to me. As always, don't forget to do you stay pretty, stay blessed, take care, ciao.